Virgo Group is a global conglomerate. We have been transforming the industry since 1993. During our journey, we have surpassed many milestones. Virgo Group is the largest manufacturer of laminates and aluminum in Asia Pacific. In our 6 manufacturing units, we produce laminates, aluminum, plywood, ACP and PVC laminates. With 27 domestic and 4 international branches, we mark our presence across the globe. This is the Virgo Group, and this is Virgo's modern, state-of-the-art facility. Located in India's 6th largest city, Ahmedabad. The facility is well equipped to manufacture premium quality PVC laminates. Our PVC laminates are manufactured using high-quality raw materials and automated machinery. Virgo PVC is known for its attractive designs and perfect finish. The sheets are weatherproof and termite and borer resistant. These flexible sheets can easily be bent at a 90-degree angle for a more finished look. Our latest ranges of aluminum composite panels are also available at our Ahmedabad plant. This modern surface covering option is making waves in the market. Cutting-edge machinery and equipment churn out superlative ACP sheets. Close attention is given to each batch to ensure consistent quality. Virgo ACP is manufactured using PVDF coating and AFT technology. This makes Virgo ACP extremely durable and long-lasting. Every batch is carefully checked before being dispatched. Virgo understands it is not only about innovating and manufacturing products. It is also important that the product reaches the user safely and unharmed. Our highly skilled staff takes the utmost care during loading and unloading of finished products. No compromises are made during the dispatching. Quality is of the utmost importance at Virgo. Several tests are carried out throughout to ensure the quality. Granules are sampled and examined for consistency. Mfi Test determines the physical and chemical properties of the material. This test checks the moisture content in the raw materials. The material is weighed and put into a hot air oven. The material is taken out and weighed again. The difference in weight is the amount of moisture present in it. Another quality control check carried out is the ash content test. test identifies the total filler content in the material. We use a modern dumbbell cutting press to cut the sheet into the required shape. Dumbbell-shaped sheet is then put through a test to determine its tensile strength. We have high-tech equipment in our lab to test the glossiness of our sheets. Our lab is also capable of accurately testing the color variations in the sheets. We also test our finished products to determine their reaction to acid and alkali solutions. This test determines the degree of cure of a baked film by the paint film resistance to MEK or methylethyl ketone. This test is carried out on our FR grade products to ensure there are no flames and zero emissions. The lab also performs an AMP strip spoil test for consistent quality. All coils are 3003 alloy. We use dew-point adhesive. Paint is from Beckers and PPG to assure best quality to you. We have several certifications regarding the quality, and we have fire-resistant certification from Exova, Germany too. Our latest technology is equipped with special filters to remove all dust particles so that we can provide you the best of the quality. We assure every batch of raw material should undergo the several tests and procedure so that no distortion should be left behind.